Practice 3-point turn. Signal right, mirror, blind spot to the right, stop completely. Signal left, get all your turns to the left, hand over hand, check around, and then move over to the other side of the road. Place the gear selector to reverse, get all your turns to the right, check back and front and all around the car as you back up. So back up until you have sufficient room out front to go. That's it. Put to drive all the way to the left. Look to the right, and then you go. And that's your 3-point turn.